Caleb's going. Focus.
I need to get onto the... Aiden, follow me all the way down. Guys, watch out! I'm coming down!
Here, I'll push you a little bit. I'll just give you.
You have to run down with me now. Oh, okay, go. Run down with me. Oh, my balls are gonna hurt. Come on. I'm ready. Oh, shoot.
Oh, Christian fell. You almost hit him though. You really. Hold on, I'm going.
Oh, damn it, coming!
Here, Caleb, I'm going.
Use your phone. Mine's like almost
Your
dead.
videotape. Where is he? You can go. Just go. Go, go. Ready? Go. Here you go.
Whoa! Christian! I am so posting this on YouTube! Christian, I got it.
Yeah!
I got on tape.
Mom, we're gonna push you.
No, then I'm not going. I go on my own.
I'm gonna zigzag you.
Come on!
Why? I'll be a balloon.
Mom, come on.
I'm gonna go by myself.
All right, let her go by herself.
No, because Cassie will be.
No, Mom, just go by yourself.
Caleb, come on.
Cassie, don't.
Oh, no, wait.
What was what?
Mommy,
What was on this?
how do you
Over
get
there.
the video stuff? Does it have to be
Shh,
on pause?
shh,
Where's Diamond?
shh.
Diamond!
She's right there. Mom,
She heard it too.
Mom,
Diamond, come
does
here!
it have to be on pause?
Diamond, get over here!
How do you get the videos
I
and
don't
post
know.
them?
Diamond, come!
Yeah, but how
Get
do
on
you
or leave.
keep on?
You hear it over there? Aiden?
Shh, shh,
How do you make
shh. Mom, be quiet. Shh.
We're out of here.
I heard it.
What did it sound like?
Shh.
Christian, come on. Hey, Caleb, come on.
I'm staying with Cassie. I'm not leaving you.
There's something over there.
Aiden,
What?
come now.
I'm coming. Alright, that's weird. That's not good. No, I heard it too. Yeah, it did sound like someone was like walking on leaves or something. Christian, stay in front of us. Can we go to our house and load our BB guns, please? Let's go to Dad's and get a shotgun. Okay, that's not good. Hello?
Don't freaking yell.
Yeah, you do. Oh, that scared me. Holy crap. Alright. That's weird.
No, the one on the ground.
That ain't cool. Do you? Oh, no, never mind. I thought I saw someone. Why is there? I just saw someone. Oh, wait, no, that's the person in the car. Oh. This ain't funny. Hello? Yeah, that ain't funny.
Baby, come inside.
No, I'm fine. I'm the man in the house. I'm gonna protect people. All right, that's weird. That ain't funny. That's really scary. Oh, those people are from this car. I saw them exit the car. Holy crap, I tripped on it. Oh my gosh. Dude, I just saw a light over there. Like in that general direction.
Go!
This isn't funny. I'm not messing with you. I saw a light over there.
Diamond got her running. We're good. Now my boat needs to go home and shower. I said.
That's weird. What?
Don't even hang out back.
Alright. I have a scooter. I just don't want to use it. That was not.